Hi, Angie here with Survival Garden Seeds. Let me show you our kids' garden collection. There are 6 varieties of vegetable seeds in here to grow and enjoy. Each packet has detailed instructions on the back for growing and seed saving for next year. We can promise that they're all heirloom seeds, so we can put those seed saving instructions on the back. This kids' garden collection was put together to help the kids become lovers of gardening. The varieties are easily grown here in the US, and having 3 types that are fast growers means they can enjoy the fruits of their labors early on during the summer, and come back to enjoy the beans, peas, and cucumbers in late summer. They are also a radish, lettuce, and basil for them to learn to like fresh. They make a nice kid garden as all of these can be eaten straight out of the garden. They don't necessarily need to be cooked up to be eaten. A bonus so parents or teachers who don't have to worry about kids who get curious about them before they're ready to eat. How fun will it be to get your kids loving and helping in the garden, teaching them a lifetime of how to grow their own garden foods. Get your kid garden collection today so you can start the next generation growing and enjoying fresh food of their very own.